everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss how to create a Leshan server with multiple clients. In this demo we have 5 clients that has been created. We have the endpoint name as Very, Vicky, Lesh, Great and Mind. The vClient Java class was created under the Leshan client California under this project. So we have the vClient.java, which is written in Java. Here we created the endpoint name for the 5 clients we want to view on our web user interface using the shared executor. After which we load the models in the Java code, and the models are here. They have been created here in the src main resources, and we have the models which are in .xml files. Yes, the 3303.xml file is for the temperature, which you can see here that has been loaded already. And after which we initialize our base instance enabler, which is also the lightweight machine-to-machine instance enabler, which are the security server and the device. These 3 have been written in the core of the Leshan code, so you don't have to write the code for these 3 again, but you only have to write for the location, the temperature and the connectivity statistics. After which you will create your base object enabler, which is the lightweight machine-to-machine object enabler, and you start your client. And likewise for the Vicky server, you create your server. Here you load the core models that I've discussed earlier, the security, server and device. After which you add it to the builder, which is given here in this code, and you create your server, Leshan server, because it's just a normal Java coding. And you can also view when your device has been registered and when you deregister with this last part of the code. Now the first thing to do is for you to run your server code as Java application. We have the server, Vicky server, that is what I called mine. So you run it, so it will take some time for it to load. So it's launching already, and let's give it time to load, and it's building now, as you can see here. Beautiful. We have our server running now. Okay, now we are going to run our clients. So we have the vClient here. Let's run it. So it's loaded all the .xml files, and now our client is running. It's registered with location this. So we can now check the web user interface, which is the Leshan Web User Interface. We have it here, and you can see that our client has been registered. We have the Very, Vicky, Lesh, Great and Mind. Can you see the registration ID, the registration time, date and time? We have the last update and home. So we can choose to check any of our clients. Okay, let's open the Vicky client. As you can see here, we have our server, device, location, connectivity statistics and temperature. Okay, let's check our device. What do we have on our device? Okay, we can observe, we can read. So let's read our device. We have Ayewumi. That is the device. That's the manufacturer name. That's the manufacturer based on what we've written in our Java code. We have the model number to be VIC001, and we have a serial number to be this. Likewise, you can check for the current time. Okay, UTC offset to be plus 02. The time zone we are currently is we're in Europe. Yes, I'm in Europe. And the binding, supported binding and modes, we add the U. Yes, that is what is written in the code, and it is right. Likewise, we can check for the location. I've written the latitude, the longitude, and the timestamp in my code, so we can read it out here. This is 90 degrees Celsius, 180, and the timestamp, yeah, it's 3. Okay, today's date is 22nd of August, and the time is 3 minutes past 5. Yeah, so that's it. And for the connectivity statistics, you can, I don't have any data here yet. For the temperature, you can only read the maximum and the minimum, which have been written in the code already. And that is all about. Okay, I can go back to the clients. You see, it will update with time, and great minds, very, you can see all our clients here are registered. They are still registered, and you have them here. And there's something else I would like to show you. I would like to go back to my code, to my Eclipse IDE now, to turn off the code. Yes, to turn it off from running, to stop it. Yes, and back here to my web user interface, and let me check. This will be registered for 3 minutes as long as the code is still running, but after 3 minutes it will be deregistered. So let me go back to the code to explain some things. After 3 minutes, I will come back here to see Lesh, if Lesh is still registered or it has been deregistered. So there's an aspect that I'm yet to explain to you. That's the aspect of the base instance enabler. I only showed you how to initialize it in your Java client, in the client code, but you have to create class for each of the base instance enabler, aside from the one that has been integrated in the core of the Leshan. Okay, we have the temperature here. So you create a class, Java class for your temperature, and whatever thing you want your temperature to do, whatever you want it to show on the web user interface, that is the web UI, you have it in your temperature. Likewise the location and the connectivity statistics. So those are the things you have to do. So let's go back and check. Oh, it's still there. Let's give it, I think it's not up to 3 minutes yet, so we have to wait a bit, and I'll let you know when it has deregistered. As you can see now, Lesh is deregistered and waiting for new registration. So that is the part of the code in the server that will show that the client has been deregistered. Likewise, all the 5 clients has been deregistered, as Lesh has been deregistered now. So that is all I have to discuss with you today. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Kindly like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much. Bye.